What's up, guys? This is James at Locking the Value and Copy My Crypto, talking to you today about the wonderful world of crypto. We're starting to see the altcoins have that move. We are starting to see it, and we're not even in April yet, guys. We've got 2 more days or 3 more days, I think. 3 more days till April begins. But the altcoins we're starting to see that progress. It's nice. It's nice. Spreadsheets updated. Theta smashing it, Zilliqa smashing it, Phantom recovering. Interestingly, we saw quite hefty moves lately in Ontology. And what was the other one? Dragon Chain. Randomly, Dragon Chain just really pushing forward. So these are coins I've spoken about on the channel, like 26 coins. I've held them all at one point or another. Sold off most of them in lots of different coins. Now I share my portfolio on Copy My Crypto, and I talk about upcoming trades that I'm going to make. The last 2 have been barnstormers, guys. One has the one from 2 weeks ago is about 3 times the price that it was when I put the video up on the site, and the one from Friday is already doubled. So really going well. I hope the subscribers are happy with that. If you're not on Copy My Crypto, check it out. There's going to be plenty of gains to be made. Like this spreadsheet shows. Even Grin's up. Even that piece of Grin is up. By the way, guys, anyone that's looking at this going, oh, I should be in Grin or Ripple, you should not. You should not. Okay? All right. Let's get into the market anyway. Guys, surprised to see Ethereum up 5%. I don't believe we're going to see a great month for Ethereum, just on the basis that the scaling solutions just keep getting put back. I spoke about it a couple of days ago. Constant bad news coming out of Ethereum in terms of scaling solutions. And for that point, I said Solana and Cardano would probably have better runs of the smart chain platforms, certainly over the short term. But last time I checked, I think Solana was on a bit of a run. 15% up in the 7 days. It's a lot better than the 0.33% Ethereum's up. So, a couple pieces of news. I think everyone saw this, and this sort of was great to see. Bitcoin rises as Visa moves to approve crypto USD coin. That's good news. We want to see Visa approving this. So Visa have said it will allow the use of crypto USD coin to settle transactions on its payment network. Finally, we're seeing Visa really, really pushing in on that. I mean, we have been seeing that with Visa, or we've certainly been seeing the news coming out about Visa. But Reuters new agency reported that. And that news pumped Bitcoin a little bit, like a few percent difference, which is good to see. Now, we know April's been a good month for Bitcoin. I did a video talking about, I think Bitcoin will hit around 77 grand. I thought it would happen before the end of March, but the end of April looks fairly likely because it's historical trends. Like April and May in particular, those 2 months are good months for crypto. Taxes have all been dealt with, and I guess people start going in hard again. So we should see it. And actually, it was really nice to see as well, FX Street. I like this website, good news stories. But they've said Bitcoin price to reach 80K in April based on historical data and open interest. Bitcoin options open interest show that a majority of investors are betting on a strike price of 80K on call options in April. So that's going to move the market. That is just going to move the market. It'll be very interesting to see the end of the month, how that plays out, especially with the options, because they move the market hard when options are set to expire. So yeah, it's going to be good. It's going to be good. We're going to have a great month, and very possibly a great 2 months, particularly for Bitcoin, which we know once Bitcoin has a bit of a run, we start seeing the moves in the right direction for the altcoins. and we look like DOT heads towards all-time high amid broad-based crypto recovery. Now, I do think DOT is set for, like I said this as well in a recent video, I'm not sure NFT, I certainly don't think DeFi is going to have as much of a run as everyone was hoping. Not the Ethereum based stuff, you know, the blue chips. I'm not sure that they're going to have the same level of run that I was expecting because the scaling solutions are not implemented. We needed to see that. And now the fact that we're talking about a delay till July, smart money says you start looking elsewhere. So then you're looking at Binance Chain's ecosystem is immense. PancakeSwap is so easy to use and so minimal on fees. You know, I think PancakeSwap we're going to see a lot of value added. And the Polkadot ecosystem is just chugging along. But I think, you know, we look at Kusama, I think Kusama's up to like $500 now. You know, it's had a great week, 25% up across the 7 days. That's fantastic. Yeah, I think we're going to see it. I think we're going to see it, guys. And yeah, in terms of breaking news, there's not tons other than the Visa news. Bitcoin, I think, will be targeting the 77, 78 grand level this coming month. It's exciting. It's really exciting. Binance Chain, the innovations that keep happening on the Binance Smart Chain are excellent. I highly recommend anyone that's unfamiliar, check it out. Try using PancakeSwap. It's fantastic. You know, I've done like £4,000 or £5,000 swaps, and there's been zero. Like the fee was like 80 cents or something, which is phenomenal. Do the same swap on Uniswap. I know I'm going to be paying north of $50, anywhere from $50 to $90 for the swap, at least. So, yeah, Binance Chain. Anyone that's unfamiliar, please start having a look because, you know, there's a reason that the market cap, they're third in overall market cap. The work that the ecosystem's doing is immense. Immense. And I think, to be honest, it's still got room to run. As always, Theta is chugging along as well, guys. But yeah, there's not really much. There's not really tons. There's not really tons beyond that. I'm just sort of checking in with you all. I want to know you're all right. So I'll ask you guys a question. Is anyone checking out yield farming at the moment? That's a question. Serious question. Is anyone into yield farming? Are there any good yield farms that is worth me having a look at? Because I've had a couple like yield farm type projects reach out about sponsorships, and I'm always a bit tentative about yield farming. It worries me in terms of the exposure that people can get. So I've said no on those sponsorships. But yeah, anyone looking at yield farming and are interested, let me know in the comments, please. And also, guys, does anyone think Bitcoin's going to hit 80k in April? Let me know in the comments. And if you think so, when do you think so? I'm curious. Let's see if anyone's right. If anyone gets it right, like for the 20k one a few months ago. Hey? But yeah, that's it from me, guys. That's it from me. Just really talking shit for a bit. Right. As for the final thing, guys, check out Copy My Crypto. The last couple of weeks have been immense for subscribers. And those coins that I've spoken about in the last couple of weeks still have room to run. Still have room to run. And there's been great gains already. So check it out. Link is in the description. Okay. Take care. Stay safe, guys. Bye.